What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, lifestyle vids. So we're gonna be taking apart my brother's front bumper, changing your headlights, right?
Correct.
2009 Jetta Sport Wagon. What is it?
Yeah.
It's a Sport Wagon. It's mad weird. That's what it looks like. You got the headlights?
Yeah,
Inside. Well, we're gonna pull those out in a couple minutes. So we're gonna give you an in-depth and how to take it apart, which is very simple. Looks like I'm just looking at it right now and it looks very simple. So got those bolts right there. And probably gotta take that license plate off. These bolts over here, headlight. What is that? The headlight bracket behind you?
It looks like it.
Headlight bracket.
Yeah. So,
Looks simple.
Yep.
And you're probably gonna have to take those. This probably got farting on camera. That's wild.
Hey, a million views. They can see. They can. If they had smell-o-vision right now.
Wow, smell-o-vision. He's crazy. He says smell-o-vision. If you guys had smell-o-vision. We don't want to know that, but we're gonna get this taken apart. We're gonna give you an in-depth video about how to do it. He's crazy, he's wild, but we'll get back to you in a little bit when you get these headlights out and everything. So you said these were T25s on this side, right?
They are all T25s except for these two bolts that were on the driver's side. Okay. For some reason, they were T27.
Well, one or the other, either T27 or T25s. Yeah. So you guys just have those because they all, you know, pretty much on these German cars, they're all star bits. Yeah, he got a whole set right here, so make sure you go on Amazon and, you know, get yours. I'm pretty sure you got this from Amazon.
Correct.
Correctamundo. See, look, they ain't even that asking. See, just be knowing, because he's an Amazon type of man.
And this is just spinning.
So he got a just spinner over there, so we're gonna get that out. The flathead, yeah. You know, yeah, real mechanics use flatheads.
Just get a little bit of pressure.
Well, you guys probably won't have this problem, you know.
Front grill.
T25 is taking out the front grill. All these are T25s, right?
Yep, all these are T25s.
All these are T25s. Make sure you got that because, you know, what kind of car is this again?
Jetta Sport Wagon.
No, it's a Japanese car, right? Japanese? German engineering. German engineering, man. I hate them, but it's whatever. We'll make it golden. Taking clips off right now. 4 clips on the front. And then most likely there's a clip down there. Be careful taking that out.
Yeah, you do not want to bust these clips because
you won't be able to put the damn grill back on.
You can't buy new ones.
You won't be able to put the grill back on either.
You can't buy new ones. That's why I hate Volkswagen. So many clips. Jesus Christ.
Doesn't everybody? I do.
I'm missing one screw on that side. That's why it came out so easy.
So he probably broke it off underneath there. So there's 2 screws. Where are they?
Located right underneath of here.
Right underneath. I'm pretty sure he probably busted this one off because it was literally right.
Nope, there's no screw. No screw.
Oh, okay. So no screw that came in that one. So
I think that's just.
There should be a screw right here. On the other side, same.
It just
comes off just like that. Instead of him trying to rip it off like Macho Man.
Yep.
Randy Savage.
There we go. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Yep. Not
too bad. So we got that front grill off. Super simple.
Yeah. That was weird. Where'd the screw go? Screw disappeared into the darkness.
Yeah, or he lost it.
Oh, it's still there. It's just it's a tension.
Or he lost it.
This is very, 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 very irritating. Oh. I wonder why they're not here. Someone must have did the same thing that I did to the other one. Just lost it, just left it in there. And now it's a little clip just floating, just chilling right here, not going anywhere. I'm not gonna worry about this.
So you're missing that clip right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Which is not one on this side. So
yeah, missing that one.
Missing in this one.
Yep. Alright. Just another Volkswagen perk.
Yep. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these 3 bolts right here on each side.
Yep, even though there's only 2 bolts on one side.
Even though there's there's only 2 bolts on this side, but you know, he's gonna make it work. He made it work, so.
Yep.
Well, not him, maybe the other guy that had it before him. So made 2 bolts work. So. Alright you guys, so we're taking off the front bumper. So there's screws on the inside that need to be taken out. And on the bottom of the lip of the bumper. So there's gonna be a screw right here on the inside on the wheel, and one right there, and they're all T26 if I'm not mistaken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm pretty sure all the way down the line we're gonna be moving. Thank you. This sir brought me out. This gentleman brought me out a nice love seat. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys more of what I'm talking about. It's a low-ass car, so I can't even really use this. I'm not trying to get rolled over in my presence.
And here we are.
Everything.
These are the buildings we're going to be replacing.
Hold on, not give him too much. So, one right here, there's gonna be another one right there, another one at the end of this, another one there, and all the way down the line. So simultaneously, same on the driver's side, you're gonna do the same on the passenger side. So, yep, get these things off and then I'll show you guys the rest and the headlights and everything like that. All right, so now that we got those 3 bolts out on the front, we're gonna take out the harness wire for the electrical running, you know, running to light up the lights and everything. So, which is back here. Take off the electrical, 2 electrical parts.
There's a clip that's a plug that breaks off mad easy, so you have to be very careful with it.
Yeah, he's telling me how to be a mechanic. Nice.
Yeah, I'm just telling you because I seen the guy break it off on YouTube. He broke it off very easily.
Okay, so there's a clip right here. This is what you're gonna take off. So I'll give you a second. All right, so I got my little pick pry tool, and make sure you put it on the inside. If you don't have a pick pry tool, try to use a flathead or something, but be very gentle with this. So you're gonna take it right there, insert it right in the middle. Let me get some more light, bro.
You blocking
Yep,
it?
right there. And you take it and pull back and pull out. Bang, like so. Come straight out like that.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
Cool.
Right there, and the whole lights, it's about to come out, like so. The light is out. Almost. Hold on. All right, lights out. That's all it is. We're gonna put the new light in. I'm gonna show you how it looks.
I'm gonna sell these.
Okay. Alright, so a new light is sitting in there. Look how that looks without, you know, even it being completely on. So all we do is gonna hook up the harness to the harness that it came with, like so. So that all you do is, you know, it's plug and play pretty much. Bang, clipped in, done. That's the way it sits right there. And just put your screws back in. So I figured out that you didn't need to unscrew this screw right here. It's only one screw, literally. I thought it mounted to I thought it mounted to 2 screws, but it's only 1 up top. So this one right here. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in. All right, that's what it looks like when you get it all put on and everything like that. It's just like that. So we're gonna do the other side right now. I'm gonna show you guys the full final product of how it looks and everything like that. I really like these lights though. They're nice. Where'd you get them from, bro?
Spider.
Spider. Ooh.
Spider Auto.
He got them from Spider Auto, so you know they expensive ass lights. So he paid a big bag for them. You know, we don't say much about it, but you know, talking about thousands. So he stopped playing. But yeah, I'll show you guys a photo product in a couple minutes and get this done.